How you generate hyper-realistic text-to-speech has changed forever. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use TaskAGI to create context-aware text-to-speech that can change its emotional tone mid-sentence. TaskAGI just announced its HyperVoice V4 model, a hyper-realistic text-to-speech engine that gives you full emotion control over any voice, including pre-built voice actors, and your very own voice clones. What does that mean? You can make a voice sound happy, sad, excited, or even angry, and switch emotions seamlessly within a single sentence. Imagine narrating a story where the voice shifts from joy to sorrow as the plot unfolds, all with lifelike precision. But it's not just about emotions. HyperVoice V4 is context-aware, which means it adapts its tone based on what's being said. If the text is about a cheerful moment, the voice sounds upbeat. If it's something heavier, like a sad goodbye, it naturally shifts to a more somber delivery. This makes the speech feel less robotic and way more human, setting a new standard for text-to-speech. To give you a better idea of how it actually works and sounds compared to alternatives, let's test a few sample sentences. We'll benchmark HyperVoice V4 against ElevenLabs, the current market leader in text-to-speech. Since emotional control is a big deal here, we'll use sentences that demand emotional variation to really highlight the differences. Let's start with this sentence here. It actually begins with a happy laughter, which is incredibly hard for AI to properly simulate, switches to frustrated, and ends in disappointment and anger. Perfect for testing emotional transitions. First, here's how it sounds with ElevenLabs.
Ha ha ha, woohoo. It's the best news ever. I'm practically dancing with joy for you. But hold on, it hit me like a brick that it's a total screw-up. And now I'm raging. Seriously, how could this happen?
So it's not terrible. The voice is clear, but listen to how it handles laughter and emotional shifts. Pretty monotonous and robotic. Now, we're going to turn on context-aware text-to-speech. So here's HyperVoice with the same sentence.
Woohoo, it's the best news ever. I'm practically dancing with joy for you. But hold on, it hit me like a brick that it's a total screw-up. And now I'm raging. Seriously, how could this happen?
Notice the difference? HyperVoice can actually laugh on command, flows through the transitions so smoothly. It's like hearing a real person react in real time. If you want even more control over the emotion, you can turn off context-aware feature and actually manually set the values yourself. You can reach some amazing voices just by combining various emotional tones.
Woohoo! It's the best news ever! I'm practically dancing with joy for you. But hold on, it hit me like a brick that it's a total screw-up, and now I'm raging. Seriously, how could this happen?
Let's try another. We will also switch actors on both platforms this time. Again, we're testing a big emotional swing, ranging from happy, fearful to sad. Let's start with ElevenLabs again.
Ahahaha, I couldn't believe my luck. I was bursting with happiness over this incredible win. But then bam! I saw red when I found out someone sabotaged it, and my heart sank into a pit of sadness as the victory slipped away. Now, oh no, I'm trembling with fear, wondering what they'll do next to ruin me.
It's good, but the shift feels a bit stiff, doesn't it? Now let's switch back to HyperVoice. Here, the anger melts into calm relief, so naturally, you'd swear it's a live recording.
I couldn't believe my luck. I was bursting with happiness over this incredible win. But then, bam, I saw red when I found out someone sabotaged it. And my heart sank into a pit of sadness as the victory slipped away. Now, oh no, I'm trembling with fear, wondering what they'll do next to ruin me.
And here's the emotional range its AI decided to use for your text. Beyond emotional control, HyperVoice V4 brings superior voice quality and more customization options to the table. You can tweak the voice to match your exact vision, adjusting pitch, speed, or even subtle quirks. making it a dream tool for content creators, developers, or anyone who needs a unique sound. So, what's the takeaway? TaskAGI's HyperVoice V4 is a game changer in the text-to-speech world. Its hyper-realistic voices, full emotion control, and context-aware smarts put it a cut above alternatives like ElevenLabs. Whether you're making videos, building apps, or just playing with AI, this is the kind of tech that can elevate your projects to the next level.